Meaning of hotplate.
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 Hotplate. A hotplate is a type of equipment used for heating substances or samples in scientific research, cooking, and other applications. It typically consists of a flat surface made of metal or ceramic, which is heated using an electrical element or flame. Hotplates are commonly used in laboratories for experiments that require controlled heating, such as chemical reactions, melting, and evaporation. They are also popular in kitchens for cooking and keeping food warm. Overall, hotplates are versatile tools that provide precision and convenience in various fields.